check, check, check. Let's see if we are live. Let's see if we are live. Let's see if we have good audio. Let's see if I am heard. Check, check, check. We here. We are here. DrewCharts is with y'all. We here. Well, let's analyze. I just made $60 on my live account real quick. So gold, right? I was in some gold sells. Right up here. It pushed down. I made about what, $60. So this trade right here. And then two, I was on my, oh wow, you can't even see it. I have it on the wrong screen. Hold on. Bam. Got in up here. Got out, well, like right here for 60. Could have kept going. Could have probably made like 120, but I didn't. So today we started the day live, $60. That's like a third day's work for the average person with a like $20 an hour job here in Florida. So I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Just close that out real right quick. Here, right here, and then this hop in a gold short right off the minute time frame I was on, cause yeah, about to hit another one. Hold on, about to do made 800 off this right. Oh, shit. Trade C. I might have to get this short right here. It's a lower high. Engulfing lower high in a downtrend, making lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. So let's see what happens with that. But right now, man, US 30. Let's look at the weekly. Look how beautiful this shit looks. Look how beautiful this shit looks on the weekly. Like, candlestick anatomy, we'll go over at a different day. So I have this zone drawn up, right? And we're approaching it. So I have price target. I'm going to just go down. I want price to come down to 44,750 and play around before we start creating market structure to head back up. If we don't come all the way back down to these areas. Like technically, based on the weekly, we could come all the way down here and still be an uptrend structure, because this is the last higher low holding us up and making sure that we're in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. This is it. Like, we could come all the way down fucking here and be valid for uptrend. Like, that's crazy, right? That's something always to keep in mind as well. But yeah, obviously sells. I'm looking for sells. The selling pressure is so fucking strong. H4, oh shit, we up. H4, gold trade looking good. Oh, let's take the risk off real quick, just because like there's no need to keep it on. Worst case scenario, I make $15. Like, that's the worst case scenario. Just take it down to 250. Yo, that shit pushing today. Like, it is not playing at all. Gold is not playing at all. We good. Man, we good with 200. We good with 203. So, let's move on. Quick, easy, in and out. Scalp. Like, it's still pushing. I'll probably be up like 3 right now. Looking at my other screen over here. But it's cool. Damn, this shit would have ran to my $450 TP. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. What the fuck is going on right now with gold? Like, what? Is there news? What the fuck? Gold is on a fucking tit. Oh my gosh. Clean as fuck too, that cell. That's what I get for not holding, to be honest. I should have set my stop to break even and just put it at the $500 target because I left bread on the table. I'd have passed the fucking account had I just left it. Yo, gold opened up the fucking week, gapped up, and just took the fuck off. Took the fuck off. 1 to 7 to start the week, and it's still going, bro. Man, as I was saying though, daily we're at a support level. If we could break the support and come play in this support, we'll get a better idea of what price wants to do depending on how we react to this zone. So I want to see price come down to 44,750 before anything, before I enter any sells for US 30. If I see it engulfing tomorrow morning, if we could come up to here, that'd be ideal for me. I don't want to get it up here. I don't want to get it up here. I want price to bounce. Ugly as shit. I don't want to see something like that. Just to make my risk to reward better. Because say I got in right where we're at. My stop would have to be all the way up here above these wicks. Like, but if we come up to this zone, it takes my 1 to 1.5 to 1 to 9, 1 to 10. You know, like, so that's just something to be mindful about. Fucking A, bro. Look at this shit. Yeah, I could have set my stop loss to $1,000 and but it's Sunday, like I'm chilling. Like I'm passing the account this week. I'm chilling. It's gonna be look at all that green, baby. This is a $50,000 Lucid Flex account with their Trade C platform, which is kind of like Project X. So I've been liking it. It's cool. Starting the week off with $200 win. I'm just gonna call. I'm not hopping in any more trades on this account. Try to pass it tonight and end up fucking up. Nah, I'm chilling. US 30, yeah, man. Selling pressure. That shit look really good right now for a sell. I'm not gonna hold you, but I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go hang with my girl, put my daughter to sleep, read her bedtime story and shit like that. And yeah, man, it's a beautiful start to the week. I'm up over $1,000 between all the accounts I took a trade on just with gold. I literally traded less than 20 minutes across all the accounts. The trade that y'all just seen me close out, that was 2 minutes. The trade that I took on my Lucid account was 1 minute and 38 seconds, and my live trade was like 20 minutes. So like, gold is giving out the fucking bread. You just gotta take it at this point. Real rap. Take the bread, bro. It's giving it to you. YM, man, that cell looks beautiful. Let's see. I'm gonna set a. Let's see what that look like. Screenshot it. Bow. Overall sales for MYM, but we want to be mindful when we reach this zone down here. There could be a potential very volatile move to the upside based on the weekly. Last time it came to this area 2 times, it sold vicious, and then when we finally broke it, we tapped, tested as support, and fucking flew up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Over half a year, over 6 months. So be mindful. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled when we get to this zone. I'm going to look for a market structure shift to take this to the upside and start looking for buys. Yes, sir. We just got to get there though. So in my mind, sells to 44,750. Sells to 44,750 before we give it a little time to create that market structure shift. So with that being said, man, I'm out of here. I'll go enjoy the rest of the night with my family. Thank you for tuning in. To everybody that tuned in, if you're watching a replay, thank you for showing me love and your support and giving me your time and just watching this. If you take trades based off of this and you make some money, shit, tag me in an Instagram story or something. DrewCharts. Alright, man, y'all have a good rest of your night. Talk to you later.